Oh, they say the early bird gets the worm. That'll be the case with this one. Cask 44.149. Hello, I'm Scott with the Scotch Malt Whiskey Society, and you're looking at Cask 44.149. The early bird gets the worm. This is a 14-year-old Speyside, bottled at 62.1% ABV. It's in our deep, rich, and dried fruits profile, or DIRTF, as it's become known, with a double cask maturation. First cask being an ex-bourbon hogshead, and then it was transferred into a second fill ex-Oloroso hogshead. Let's get into it. Nice, rich, darker hue on this one. Definitely that Oloroso cask playing an influence here, and even for a second fill ex-Oloroso cask, still nice color imparted on the whiskey here. 14 years old, very nice. On the nose, spiciness, nuttiness, tobaccos, dark fruits, burnt vanillas. Wow. Very nice indeed. This distillery does use what's known as worm tubs in the distillation process. Can add a little bit of a sulfur slash kind of meatiness to the distillate. A lot of these casks that we get from Distillery 44 are sherry influenced as well. Really looking forward to this one on the palate to see what we get. So let's try it. Cheers. Burnt fruits, nuttiness, definite tobaccos here, very nice, rich, chewing tobacco, pipe tobacco, sweet, savory. There's a meatiness underlying. Dark fruits, not necessarily distinguishing any plums, raisins, anything yet. Brown sugars, molasses. Ooh, a lot going on here. Cinnamons, nutmegs, everything overriding. 62.1% ABV again. Very nice. I really don't want to add any water to this one. This one is so beautiful, neat. And yeah, that's a high ABV, but the sweetness, the juiciness, the tobaccos, fruits, oaks, everything's toasted nuttiness. Everything really kicking in here. This is beautiful. Let's add a drop of water. Dark fruits definitely playing a role here. And I got some burnt apples as well. Almost apple pie with a lot of cinnamon on top of it. Peaches, peach cobbler, very nice. Tobacco's kicking in. Nice cask influence here. Ooh, the finish on this just kicks in, it goes on. It's really hanging in there. Toffees, chocolates, caramels, figs, starting to get some of those sherry notes now, starting to separate themselves here. Figs, dates, raisins. Let's add another round of water. Wow, water really opening this one up. I like this one neat, but with some water. All of these fruits, all of the tobaccos, leathers starting to expand. Nice oak here, nice oak influence, a little peppery, nice spices, cinnamons, nutmegs, burnt almonds, toasted almonds. Wow. Dates, raisins, plums, all of those notes kicking in. Brown sugars, molasses. Very beautiful, very nice. I like this one neat. I liked it with a round of water. I like this one with 2 rounds of water. It's definitely opening up those oak tannins, opening up those Oloroso sherry tannins as well. Let's look at tasty notes on the bottle. 44.149. The early bird gets the worm. A perfectly balanced interplay of leathery, classical Oloroso sherry character with bold, assertive, waxy, superbly oily worm tub new make. Yeah, worm tub is definitely coming through. There's a little bit of a meatiness, savoriness underlying everything. Almost a salted beef jerky type note that's coming in there. More beef meatiness than, say, a pork or a seafood or something like that. So very nice. Cask 44.149 is available on the website for $165. Please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. It all helps the channel. And remember, Scotch Malt Whiskey Society whiskeys are not for swigging, glugging, or knocking back. Please drink responsibly. Cheers.